Hey guys, today I'll be telling you how to fix a Valorant access to this game is suspended. First, open Valorant support website on your PC, then click on submit a ticket. You need to choose your request type, like recover my account. After selecting the request type, you need to enter the following details, like the email address, what platform are you requesting assistance with, like for me it's PC, the region, how did you use an account, like ban suspension, your login username, and your Riot Games name and the code, the tag that is there. You need to even add the email that you want to recover it to. There's all the possible emails associated and all that stuff. Then you need to write the subject for the ban. And after that, you need to write a description for the Valorant team. So you can write like, hello Valorant team, my account has been suspended, and I need your assistance. Yeah, this is it. You need to write this much. Just make sure that all the necessary details are filled and stuff, like, email address, all possible email associated with it and all that stuff. Then you can even attach the screenshot of it and just submit it. This is it. Just recheck all of it. That's it. Then you can submit it. Thanks for watching, and like and share.